everybody, it's Tyler. Welcome to No Idea Automotive, and today I'm going to be reviewing a car detailing products or bundle or whatever you want to call it. Today I have some products from the chemical guys, and you see that is a lot. This all came in a bundle, and I'm going to try it out here on my car because it is disgusting. It really needs help. One thing that you'll find out about me is I really hate washing my car. I despise it. I never can get it to look as good as it should. However, I wanted to try out some new products to see if they will step up my car detailing game any. So that's what we're gonna do. We got a bucket, which has their name on it, and also has this like little thing in there to kind of separate the dirt. You got this foam cannon that attaches to a garden hose. They also have one for a pressure washer, but we're just going to use the foam cannon for the garden hose right now. We actually have the shampoo, as you would call it, for the car. This is actually made for the cannon because it will foam up. Then you got a butter wet wax. Then you got the Diablo wheel cleaner, which is going to be used to clean the wheels. Then we have silk shine protectant. This is kind of for all the plastic pieces, especially like my little lip down there, or any rubber components on the car to keep those long lasting. Then you got a glass cleaner here. I despise and really hate cleaning the glass on my car. It seems like me and Windex don't work out. My windows are always dirty, so hopefully that works out. Then you got the speed wipe. This is a spray gloss and quick detailer that we're gonna try out. And then we got some interior detailer and cleaner that we're gonna try as well, because I haven't detailed the interior of my car in what it seems like months. Also, I forgot to mention, I have this applicator brush here, and I have this for the tires. And yeah, so we're gonna see how this works. We're gonna go ahead and spray the car down with foam and see how this cannon works. I've lost all my energy just filming all of that right there. I have the Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash, which smells literally like honeydew, and I'm just gonna put it in here to the soap line. Oh, that seems like a lot of soap. All right, so we're to the soap line, and now we're going to I assume, do we fill this up with water? I think I have instructions. So, nozzle here already attached to our water hose. Put our cap back on like so. And I just noticed that this has different like modes, I guess. You can go 1 to 2 to 3. We're just gonna keep it on 3 and see what happens. My car is extra dirty, so I'm pretty excited about this. Hopefully I'm doing this right. Gosh, it smells so good. And I really hope I'm doing this right. I'm sure anybody that watches this that does this more often than me will notice something I'm doing wrong, like always. And actually, there's a funny story to that. A couple videos ago, I used the glass parency kit on my car, which kind of is a protectant for your windshield. And glass parency themselves watched it and noticed that I had actually applied it incorrectly. And they're supposed to be sending me something new to try so I can get it right. I'm gonna finish cleaning this off, and then we'll move on to the next item. So the car has been washed and rinsed off. I'm soaking wet, but it's not because of the water. It's because it's so humid out here. Also, the bundle did come with these drying cloths. So now I'm gonna dry the car so I can apply the wax, which should be fun. I've never used, usually I use like the chamois things that are kind of like rubber. I've never actually used a cloth on my car before. But here, these are supposed to be pretty good. So I'm gonna start with that. Finished drying the car off. Totally thought I hit record and I didn't, but I did dry. And she's looking all right, except for this bug that's chilling out right here that needs to get off. She's looking good. I can definitely see myself in it. That's good, that's good. You don't want to see me because I'm covered in sweat. We have so many more products left that we're gonna try out. I definitely want to try out this wax. Oh, it's hot. I'm gonna wax it and I'm gonna get to the wheels. And for today, that is gonna be all for the exterior. And then we'll move into the interior in another video. I did want to show you me applying this to the microfiber rag. I'm gonna have to do this to the whole car, so this is gonna take me a while. I've never applied wax to a car in my life. So this is gonna be interesting. I'm just really tired and really hot. Why? Why do you have to do this to me, son? I'm not up for this. But this is No Idea Automotive, where we do stuff ourselves, even though we have no idea what we're doing. So here we go to me trying to wax this car. That wasn't a good angle. This isn't either. Look at my chins. So I have a rag here, and it tells me to shake this very well, which I've been shaking it, so I think it is. Oh, that was premature. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I can't really tell a difference. I got like a thin layer on this cloth. I've done the spot right here. I can't really tell. I mean, the paint on my car is not that old and it just looks good anyway, so maybe I just won't tell the difference because of that. I'm gonna do the whole thing and I'm gonna show you the result, and hopefully it turns out well. I am so hot. It is so... this wax actually is pretty legit. Now, I did notice a few things when I was waxing. I don't know if it's gonna show up on camera, but you can kind of see that spot? See, I think that these spots, I don't know if you can kind of tell when I move, there's like these spots, and I think they came from when I was doing the glass parency kit, that it somehow stained my paint somehow, and that's irritating. And I found something else. I guess my car's never been so clean, that I found this right here. It looks like, and it doesn't really look like it's on top of the paint. It looks like the paint's kind of starting to wear away, which is concerning. All in all, I guess I would have never realized that stuff unless I hadn't cleaned it. Now, Chemical Guys is not a sponsor. They're not sponsored. There's no way they would on a channel this small. But I just like to check out different types of products that I see and use them on my own personal vehicle and see if it's something you guys would like to try. I mean, my car I think looks very good. It's very handsome. It's very clean. And also this stuff smells great. Like, it smells good. It's like a pleasant experience by using it. And I can't wait to start using some of the other products as well. Right now, I'm gonna take care of my tires and I'm gonna really take care of the wheels. Tires I'll probably do later once I do the interior. So we're gonna get that done. I'll show you what it looks like once we're finished, and then I'll wrap up this video. I don't know. So for the rims, I'm gonna be using this Diablo wheel cleaner. This is what came with the bundle. I don't know what that angle is. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know. And this even smells good too. It smells like bubble gum. Now we're gonna rinse it off. And I gotta do all the other ones. Sometimes I feel like I'm just not made out for this. So I did the rims. Honestly, I don't think it's any fault to the product that I was using, more so myself. Some of them didn't turn out very well. It's probably because I didn't spend as much time. The back one didn't look so bad, but you see, there is still some spots where there is still more brake dust residue. Do not mind the scratching of my wheels. It was a bad day that day. It's starting to rain, so I kind of ran out of time. Other than that, the car does look really good. See, I didn't even finish rinsing off all of the stuff there. Why am I like this? I would recommend using the Chemical Guys products. I haven't used all of them from the bundle that I had, but I did use the honeydew wash. I used the wax that I was given, and also the Diablo wheel cleaner, and I think that they all work really well, and they're really pleasant to work with because they all smell so good. And I gotta say, my car looks very clean and I can see myself in it, and I like that. If you did want to check out these products, I will link the bundle that I bought in the description below. Chemical guys, if you ever want to sponsor me in the future, I know now is probably not the best time, but hey, in the future, you just let me know, because I will definitely be checking out more of your products to see if they're just as good as the ones I've used so far. In another video, I will go over the remaining products that I have got out of this bundle, especially the one for the interior. My interior is gross. If you liked today's video, hit that like button. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe for the journey of people who have no idea what they're doing, try to do things. But honestly, who knows what they're doing? Really? No one really has an idea, right? Until the next one, learn what you don't know, be good, and I'm gonna go inside now because it's hot. Also, one more thing I forgot to mention is it's about to freaking rain and I just washed my car. That sucks. I'm gonna have to do it again. And now it's starting to feel good out here because it's about to rain.